This is high African art any woman would dream to have in a closet. Okay, if I had that much money, I would buy this one piece here and right now. 1,000 times better than Chanel, Givenchy, Gucci, and Valentino. Shut me up. I'm gonna cry. This is Ruisha Gosala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys know, this is going to be a reaction video. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, I promise I won't take much of your time. So haute couture is a hand fashion constructed by hand from start to finish, made from high quality, expensive, often unusual fabric, sewn with extreme attention to detail from some of the most talented and experienced sewers in the industry. Okay, so a big shout out to the designer Zuhair Murad. So let's get towards the video. Zuhair Murad. I love how the jewels are embedded near the neckline area. They just look wow. Look at those glitters, not too much, not too less. This perfect amount of elegance. Strong shoulder pads. I like how the gown splits near the lower body area. It is just enhancing the look of the garment. She is giving all Greek goddess vibes. Okay, so correct me if I am wrong. But darker skinned women are born to be draped with gold and jewels. Something about their skin with all those glitters and sparkles just makes sense. The way the designer has arranged the color palette is really amazing. It's gorgeous. I'm in love with this garment. Oh my god. She is giving out all female superhero with the cape vibes. So pretty. Oh my god. On a gala outfit, I'd love to wear this. This is something I'd crave if I'm ever invited to Oscar or red carpet thing. The flow of the garment, my eyes are pleased, I swear. This is so pretty, oh my god, the flow. The neckline and the triangular cut is very much mesmerizing. There is so much thought put into this garment. I mean, I'm just loving it. This is high African art any woman would dream to have in a closet. I mean, wow. The belt, the jewels, the stones. Wow. Who knew that bringing luxurious and ancient together could make the costume go to this next level? I think this fitted gown would be better without the jacket. You guys let me know your reviews about this in the comment section. I want to meet the designer who has put so much thought. The fitting near the waistline, the fall of the sleeves, I mean, drop dead gorgeous. I'm just loving it. It's just so stunning. Okay, this is very flattering. The wrap skirt and the fall of the garment behind too is just so wow. I mean, I'm low-key sad. Why don't I see celebs wearing these at red carpets? It is just so amazing. Some celebs wear awful outfits on red carpet. I mean, why don't I see wearing them? They were totally wrong. The whole world of ugly. His work is oasis of beauty. Wow. I have to say, I have never seen such designs before. He's one of the most underrated designers of the century. Okay, if I had that much money, I would buy this one piece here and right now. Wow. The draping is outstanding. Kudos to the person who stitched the garment. Thousand times better than Chanel, Givenchy, Gucci and Valentino. Please don't hate me, guys, but it is what it is. Wow. I feel so lucky as being a woman, thinking someday I could get to wear such outfits. Oh my god. Okay, so the lacing looks fantastic, totally giving out heavenly vibes. Oh my god. The detail, the intricate detailing is totally eye-popping. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna wear this like right now. Okay, there comes the showstopper. Queen walking down the aisle. Shut me up. I'm going to cry. Never going to understand how a single piece of clothing could be so remarkable. I mean, for the first time, an entire line seems so beautiful. There is no single design that seems ugly to me, like those worn by celebs in galas. You know what I mean? I'd love to have all of these if I had enough amount of money. I swear. But obviously, the showstopper stops all of them. Okay, so I would repeat again. A big shout out to Zuhair Murad. He is one of the most underrated fashion designer in the world, and also he is one of my favorite fashion designer. So I'm dropping his Instagram username in my description and even his YouTube channel. So have a look at it if you want to. So guys, do not forget to press the bell icon, like, share, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me if you do. So adios amigos. Meet you in the next